Okay, students, here is a video to remind you how to get to Destiny if you're not sure how to find a book in Destiny. So, the first thing we've got to do is we've got to get to Destiny. So, you're going to go up here to your bookmark bar and you're either going to click on Destiny because you have it saved up here, or if you don't, you're going to go over here to your bluntk12.org student bookmark and click on it. It will bring you this drop down menu and you want to click on Destiny Library. It's usually the second or third one from the top, and it's going to take you to what we call the library landing page or the Destiny landing page. You want to look down here to the elementary schools. You want to grab and click on the one that says Rockford Elementary School because, we don't want to go to Porter Elementary. We need to do ours. So once you get it open, be sure it says Rockford Elementary up here. All right. Be sure it says Rockford Elementary up there. Now we're on this page. So to search, you're going to put in your animal or your wonder, whatever it is you're trying to research. So Miss Walker is going to put in the Grand Canyon. Then I'm just going to hit subject search because I am searching by subject. I want a book about the Grand Canyon, not with just the Grand Canyon in its name. It's going to take it a minute to look. And when it finally decides it has something, it's going to pop up like this. Now, remember, we want a book that is nonfiction. Nonfiction, you're going to look at the call number and you want to be sure it says as a number. See that number right there? That's what you're wanting. So here we go. We have several books on the Grand Canyon. I can pick whichever one I want. Remember, the title is right here, The Grand Canyon. The call number is right under the title where it says details. Call number, see that call number 567.9 CHI. That's the call number. And then to see if the book is in or out, I look over here and see if it's available. If it's available, I circle in. It says 0 out of 1. I know it is not available, so I circle out. And that's how you use Destiny to find what you are looking for.